Here is the proof of affiliate earning from WarriorPlus. I am refreshing the page so that you believe it, not just screenshot, it's true. Today I made $8.70, last 7 days it was $165.86 and last 30 days it was $250.86. After watching this video you will able to start your affiliate marketing with AI, with your mobile phone. Just watch the video till the end. This is the statistics of last 7 days. I got only 224 clicks and earned over $165 within last 7 days. I did this with AI automation and with a minimum effort. If you watch this video you will also able to start your affiliate marketing with WarriorPlus to earn money online. You will not need a laptop or desktop to start with today's strategy. So stay connected till the end, and if my video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will put the necessary links to description. Just go to WarriorPlus and just sign up. Here I come to offers page to promote any suitable offers. You will find 100 to 1,000 of offers in this page. Find any offer that is looking appealing for your audience and probably they will have willing to buy. Find any offer, then tap to the offer to see details of that offer. And then you will need to request for approval. When offer will be approved you will promote affiliate link, and when someone buy through your affiliate link you will get commission. And WarriorPlus commission is super high, up to 50%. I have just choice a offer named Digital Face AI. Tap to request approval button and then tap to request offer button. Within short time you will see your offer will be approved to promote. Now let's find an approved offer to start promote. Go to offer and then find approved offer by filtering offers. Select the offer you want to promote. Let's say, I am selecting AI Movie Maker to promote. Then try to read and learn offer details to understand better. And then copy the title of the offer and come to AI tool to write SEO-friendly article. I will give the necessary links in description. Visit through the links and sign up. You will find one-click blog post feature. To better use in your mobile phone you can go to 3 dot and select desktop site for easiest use. Tap on one-click blog post, then paste that copied title offer to this main keyword box, and then tap on generate a title button. This will generate a title by AI according to your keyword. If you don't like or want to modify, just select and write as per your requirement. After finalizing your title, come to next button, select your preferred language. Then select article type as how to guide and then select article size. I am selecting medium size, you can select as per your requirement. Then select content setting as informational. Then select AI setting, I am selecting DeepSeek, you can select whatever you want. Then select point of view, I am selecting second person. And then target country, I am selecting United States, you will set as per your target audience. Now, you need to add a little detail to this detail to include box, so going back to our offer page and just copy a bit of description from there and then paste that copied text to this box. Then Media Hub part, keep AI image, yes. Number of images, 3. Then image style, select photo. Then image size, select 16 by 9. Now select YouTube videos, yes, then number of videos, 1, and then layout options, first images, then videos. You can input SEO keywords if you want in this SEO part. Then come to structure. Introductory hook, brief part, and select personal or emotional. Then conclusion, yes. Then tables, yes, and other setting will be as it is. Then come to external linking, cellset link type none. And then come to connect to web section and must select yes. Then source link, link name, URL. And then search source, real-time search. Then citation, yes. And source data, all time. That's it. You are all done. Just come to top and we will click run and AI do rest for us. This AI is so powerful, my personal favorite because it makes me earning. I believe you will also able to start earning within few days. Stay till end. Click run button, wait for few minutes. Within few minutes you will see your article will be ready within few minutes and you will able to publish it anywhere internet. I recommend you to publish your article to medium.com. Visit medium.com and download Medium app, build your profile and start posting articles regularly. Keep in mind, add your affiliate link of WarriorPlus in your article when posting, so that when someone click and purchase through your link you will get affiliate commission. This is the entire process of start affiliate marketing with AI and WarriorPlus. I believe you will also able to earn money like mine if you start posting at least once in every day. Till now, if you have any questions, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. And if my video helps, don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel. I recommend you also watch this video too. Thank you for watching.